guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be doing another vacuum unboxing. So in here should be an exclusive Numatic. Sorry for the background noise. I ain't starting the video again. Just shut the door. That's it. Just shut it up. It's only phone ringing. Let's just cut all the box out. Like so. And we'll just cut this out. Here we go. Like this. I think, yeah, it is quite a rare Numatic now. They don't get made anymore. No packaging in here, just the machine. So hopefully it survived. And yeah, there we go. Go for the phone. Here we go. What do you think of that? I've got myself one of these, an orange Bertie. Now, I've seen one or two of these, brand new in a B&Q, which is fairly local to me. But the box was opened, and yeah. I was going to buy one brand new, but I went and looked on B&Q's website, and they don't sell them anymore. And this is like one of the first ones they kind of brought out. Back in about, I think they brought it out in about 2013. So I know this is 2014, this one. It's quite dirty and used, but it's alright. I mean, the motor's pretty clean in it. It is an autosave one as well. It's a PSP 200A. I mean, yeah, it's pretty fine, to be fair. So, whack them clips in. And tell you what we'll do, we'll plug him in quick, and oh sorry, just made the lens go funny, sorry about that. And oh, it is missing a wheel cap as well. I just noticed there's a wheel cap missing, but I'm sure I've got a black wheel cap somewhere, but I can't remember. I'm sure I've got one in my shed. Let's just plug him in. Let me get a bag actually. Whack a bag in there. I think I've got a hardly used I've got a hardly used Flow here, which I can whack in. And I'll put some attachments on as well that I've got. So let's just plug him in. And plug him into the RCD as well, just to make sure everything's okay. Right. So he's plugged in. So let's see if the autosave works on him. Yeah, it works alright. So, let's just dish some attachments out in here. So we've got a set of wands, floor tool, and a hose. I've only got a 90s hose, but it'll do. 90s hose. So, you know, there we go. This is actually a floor tool off the Lewis. I don't actually have the original styling for this, but yeah, that one will do. It's got the parking bracket as well on the back, like that. So that works alright. Let's just whack a bag in it. Just got a HEPA Flow here. It's partly used, but you know, it's alright. It does do the trick. There we go. It looks to be used commercially as well, and it's missing the ring that goes on the top, but I'm not too fussed about that. And yeah, he's in okay-ish nick. And I mean, once I polish it all up and everything, it'll be fine. So here we go. Let's give it a go. works alright. And yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that actually. It cost me £21 off eBay. So 21 quid, I can't complain really for that price. And it's in fairly clean condition as well. So the cable of course just wraps in here, and I'm surprised they just didn't chuck the cable around the top. They actually put it in the designated place on the kind of castle bit on here. You know what I mean? In there. Bit of a tedious job trying to wind it up, but I think the newer ones have this kind of design. They have a thing there, like on the handle, rather than the little ring thing that sits in there. But anyway, there we go. There was that Bertie. There's this Bertie I got. The next time you'll be seeing this, it will be all cleaned and polished, and it will probably look like new. So there we go. Thank you for watching. If you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.